Hello, student. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Physiography and Drainage. So, here in this chapter, we are going to study about the physiography of India and Brazil, similarly, the drainage system of India and Brazil. Now, don't get confused with the word physiography and the drainage. The physiography means the systematic study of the nature. Okay, nature of. Now here, what we are going to study? We are going to study the nature of land. What kind of geography having both the countries that we are going to see in this chapter with comparative study. Similarly, what kind of river systems means what rivers it having, what are the major rivers, and what are the sub rivers of that. All these things we are going to see here in this chapter. Okay, so if we talking about the physiography, then you can see here we divide India and Brazil in some parts according to their physiography. You just see here, from if we start India from north to south, then we can divide India in some 6 parts, that is the Himalaya, after that North Indian plain, then peninsula, then coastal plain, and then islands. Okay, the group of islands. Similarly, you can go here and see about the Brazil. Brazil is divided into 5 parts, that is the highlands, the great escarpment, the coastal region, the plains, and the island groups. So you can see here some things are here similar, some things are here different. So all these things now we are going to see in this chapter, whose name is Physiography and Drainage. Okay, see, this is the map of India. India's 3 side is surrounded by ocean. That's why we called it as a peninsula. Okay. Now, India's one side, that is the north side, is covered by the land, and here are India's states. Okay. So, at the north side, there is a Jammu, then Himachal Pradesh, then Uttar Pradesh, then Rajasthan, Punjab, then Uttarakhand, and many states are there. In last chapter I have already told you that you have to learn this all states. Okay, so now this is what the India, if we come from north to south, India having different India having lot of varieties in its geography. Okay, according to the geographical derivatives, we divide India in certain parts. Okay, so that part only we are going to study in the section of the physiography of India. Okay, is it clear now? So let's see. See, student, this is what the Indian map. Okay, the India's map, you can see here the India's map is is shown by some colors. The India is divided into some colors. You can see here at the north, this is the north side, whereas the Jammu Kashmir is there. At the north side, you can observe there is a red color. We shown this section by the red color. Okay, that red section is here also somewhere. Okay, in the middle section, if you go here in the eastern part, there is also the red section. Okay, then you come to down, you just come down. Here the down section, it's a greeny section. Okay, and greeny section, this is the faint green and this is a dark green. They both the greens having specific meaning, we will see afterward. Okay, then here is the yellow section. Okay, the middle one, if you see this middle section, that the yellow section and the combination of this orange section, you can see here it's looking like a triangle, isn't it? So it's a triangular section, this is the triangular section. Okay, then the same here you will not see much yellow section. Okay, so now what is the meaning of this? Okay, this question might be come in your mind, that what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is, it is by this color we are trying to show the elevation. Okay, uska kitna, uska altitude, we are trying to show the altitudes of this. See here, this is the altitude, this is the altitude scale. Okay, in this scale you can easily find out that which color denotes which level, which color denotes what altitude is there. Now just you see, this is the 0, this is the green color. Okay, this is the green color. You see that this is the coastal area. Okay, what is this area? This is the coastal area. Do you remember? I just before I shown you something. Okay, do you remember? We just the upper section, this is, we called it as a Himalaya. This is what? This is the Himalaya. You see, this is the Himalaya. Okay, and in Himalaya also there is a different colors. Means what is it showing? The upper section, it is the dark orange, then faint orange, then again the reddish, then here is the faint. It's showing the different altitude. Okay, this is the green. See now, the green, we know that this is the sea. Okay, and we know that this sea level is the 0 level. Okay, and 0 to 150, that green level lies between the 0 to 150. Means below the green, this is the yellow, this is the blue. Now this blue is the 0 level. Okay, and this 0 to 150 meter means this green level, this green shade we are seeing, no, this is the, this section is having the altitude of 0 to 150 meter. Okay, now 150 to 200. Now after this green there is a faint green. Can you observe this faint green? This faint green you can observe here also, isn't it? This faint green having little bit more altitude than this. It means कि ये जो ग्रीन वाला जो एरिया है, इसकी जो ऊंचाई है समंदर से बहुत कम है. कितनी है? 0 से लेके 150 मीटर तक. लेकिन उसके बाद ये जो आपका सेक्शन दिख रहा है, it having the high altitude than this green. Okay, now come to this yellow. I told you this yellow. Yellow having how much? Yellow having 200 to 600. Okay, 200 to 600 meter. It means it having the high altitude. मतलब ये थोड़ा ऊंचा है. किससे? ये जो फेंट ग्रीन है उससे भी ऊंचा एरिया है. उसके बाद देखो, उसके बाद ये जो रेडिश वाला, मतलब ये येलो के ऊपर जो रेडिश दिख रहा है, दैट इज अगेन हाई, उसका हाइट और ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे ये रेडिश में ये ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है, ऐसे लाइनिंग. इट हैविंग द 1000 टू 1500 मीटर. ओके, उसके बाद इधर जो बड़े बड़े, अब आप और जा सकते हो, और ये कलर डार्क कलर हो रहा है. दिस ऑल द डार्क कलर्स वी कैन सी ओनली in the Himalayan region. Okay, now in Himalayan region you can easily observe that this is the lower color, that what we are going to see here. There is a that is the Shivalik ranges. Shivalik ranges जो है, that is the newest ranges. मतलब we know that Himalaya is a fold mountain. Okay, young fold mountain, and this is the youngest fold, and here ये जो fold आई है, that is the oldest fold. Okay, सो ये जो है दिस एरिया हैविंग द हाई एल्टीट्यूड. ओके, इससे ये जो नीचे का एरिया है, इट हैविंग लिटिल लो एल्टीट्यूड. उससे और नीचे का इट हैविंग और लिटिल एल्टीट्यूड. देन अगेन यू कम डाउन, देन द एल्टीट्यूड इज गोइंग डाउन एंड डाउन. ओके, लाइकवाइज दिस हिमालय इज डिवाइडेड. नाउ स्टूडेंट, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी मीन्स what this color is showing, isn't it? Now you can easily understand that by this map you can easily understand that India having lot of diversity, isn't it? According to geographical structure of India having lot of diversity, and that diversity, according to that diversity only we divide India in certain parts. Now what are that parts? See, the first part, which is the highest part. See, this is this upper one part. Okay, this is the Western Himalaya, and this is the Eastern Himalaya. Eastern Himalaya means all this that Sikkim and this Arunachal Pradesh and all this what you are seeing here, the orange color. This is what the Eastern Himalaya. Okay, so this is what the first division of India. Okay, then now you see here this green, that faint green, okay, and this is the dark green. Okay, here we have written something, the northern plain. Can you see here the northern plain? Northern plain, did you see? Okay, so this faint green area and this dark green area, this is the another division of India. That is what the northern plain. ओके, तो चलिए देखते हैं ये अभी. यू कैन सी हियर prominently that yellow color region. That yellow color region is nothing but the peninsular region, which is made up by the fissure type of volcanic eruption. Okay, which mainly having the igneous rock. अब इससे तो आपको पता चल ही जाएगा कि igneous rock वहीं पे होते हैं जहाँ पे वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन होता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये जो हमारा पेनिनसुलर रीजन है, इसको पेनिनसुलर रीजन क्यों बोला है? You can observe here, you just see here, this is the India's downside, which having the all three sides is covered by the water. अगर 4 साइड कवर्ड बाय वाटर रहता है उसको आइलैंड कहते हैं, अगर 3 साइड कवर्ड है तो पेनिनसुला कहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट द पेनिनसुलर रीजन एंड दिस इज द प्लेट्यू, इसको हम प्लेट्यू भी कहते हैं. उसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट डिवीजन आता है, वो है इंडिया इज़ वेरी फॉर्चुनेट फॉर द फॉर बीचेस. ओके, इंडिया को बहुत लंबी बीच सेक्शन मिला है. ओके, बीच मीन्स व्हाट, दिस इज द कोस्टल मीन इंडिया इज वेरी फॉर्चुनेट अबाउट द कोस्टल रीजन. इट हैविंग अ लॉन्ग कोस्टल रीजन. यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है इंडिया का कोस्टल रीजन. कोस्टल रीजन बोले तो क्या होता है? कोस्टल रीजन इज नथिंग बट द, आप देख सकते हो कोस्टल रीजन क्या है, ये समुंदर से लगा वाला एरिया. ठीक है, तो समंदर के किनारे का ये जो एरिया है ये है सब कोस्टल रीजन. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट द कोस्टल रीजन. अब आप देखो कोस्टल रीजन जो है इट इज ऑल्सो हैविंग इट ऑल्सो कंटेन द सेम कलर. सी ग्रीन कलर, ये प्लेन में जो कलर है वही कलर आपको यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है. ठीक है, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि कोस्टल रीजन और ये जो यहाँ प्लेन है नॉर्थन इंडियन प्लेन, वो दोनों की जो हाइट है वो कितनी है? 0 से लेके 150 मीटर तक. अब ये तो हमारा 4th सेक्शन हो गया. दिस इज व्हाट द 4th सेक्शन. सी, हिमालय इज द फर्स्ट सेक्शन, देन द सेकेंड डिवीजन इज नॉर्थन इंडियन प्लेन, देन प्लेट्यू, then this is the coastal region. After that India having this group of island also. This is the Lakshadweep island. Okay, and this is what the Andaman and Nicobar island. Okay, so this is also the part of India, so we make one separate division of this island also. Okay, so in this way we divide India in the 5 regions, 5 group, 5 division. What are that 5 regions or 5 divisions? That is Himalaya at the north, then northern plain, then plateau, then coastal area, and finally the island groups. Okay, this is what the division of India. And here now we are going to study about the each part very deeply. Okay, so you understand what is the physiography of India? Okay, similarly we will see the physiography of Brazil also, but afterward. Okay student, hello student, let's see now the activity 3.1. Now we are going to study about the activity. Still now I think you are very much familiar with the divisions of India. Okay, so can you tell me in how many divisions we divide India into? We divide India into 5 divisions. What are that? If we start from north to south, then at the very north there is the Himalayan region. After that there is a northern Indian plain, then peninsula, then coastal plain, and then group of islands. So this is what the physiography of India. Okay, so here is that reddish section, that is the Himalaya section. Himalaya having the two parts. One is the western Himalaya and here is the eastern Himalaya. Okay, now see the northern Indian plain. Northern Indian plain, it is started from here, from Rajasthan, okay, and here up to the western Bengal. Okay, see here, this is the Rajasthan section, and from this Rajasthan the Indian northern plain is started. Okay, and here it is end up to here, it is in the Assam, and here the Pashchim Bengal. Okay, and if you see, this Indian northern plain is divided into two colors. Okay, so why because the half of the Indian plain having the high altitude and half of the Indian plain having the low altitude than the next part. Okay, so here that green part what we are seeing, this is the plain which is made up by the Ganga and its tributary rivers. Okay, now first of all you have to understand what is the plain. Plain is the area, it is made up by the depositional work from the rivers and the mountains. Okay, and as the name suggested, that is the plain, this area don't having the hills. Okay, it don't having the high elevations. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, इस ये जो ग्रीनिश एरिया में कहीं पे भी आपको रेड एरिया दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, क्योंकि द रेड कलर इज शोन द हाई अल्टीट्यूड. ओके, एंड हियर यू हेलो.